In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Exodus to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage your crypto assets and transfer them from your Exodus wallet to Trezor. So, the only prerequisite is that you have the Trezor Suite application installed on your computer. You will be able to find this available on their official website. So, all that you have to do is first connect your Trezor to your computer. Usually, this is going to be done using the provided USB cable. Unlock your Trezor by entering your PIN, and you will be able to manage all of your crypto assets in there. Now, open the Trezor Suite application. At the left side of the screen, you will be able to click the plus sign to add a new crypto asset to your wallet. So you can choose from any of the assets available and choose the specific one that you would like to transfer from Exodus. Once you have selected that, you will be able to choose the receive or send option. Choose receive if you are going to be transferring from Exodus to Trezor, and now an address code is going to be generated. Copy that address and you will be able to input it into Exodus. So switch over to Exodus, choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer and click the send button. Paste the receive address that was generated on your Trezor, and now you will be able to double check all of the details, including any potential fees, and make this transfer. As long as you included the address that you acquired from the Trezor Suite application after you chose the specific crypto asset, you will be able to complete this transaction, confirm it on your Trezor, and you will receive your asset inside of your Trezor wallet. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many assets as you have. I recommend that you send a small amount first to confirm that the address is in fact working and activated, and afterwards you can send the rest. It can take some minutes, so just keep that in mind and be aware of any possible fees. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Exodus to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.